to start reading from the part where I have left in the previous video. I'm reading out to you the novel, the extract from the novel, The Guide by R.K. Narayan. It is my brother's son who is on duty there. I don't want to compete with him. And I don't want to enter the jail gates every day. Not a bad place, said Raju through the soap. Go back then, said the barber and asked. What was it? What did the police say? Don't talk of it, snapped Raju and tried to maintain a sullen, forbidding silence for the rest of the shave. But the barber was not to be cowed so easily. His lifelong contact with tough men had hardened him. He said, 18 months or 24? I can bet it's one or the other. Raju felt admiration for the man. He was a master. It was no use losing one's temper. You are so wise and knowing. Why do you ask questions? The barber was pleased with the compliment. His fingers paused in their operation. He bent round to face Raju and say, just to get it out of you, that is all. It's written on your face that you are a 2 years short, which means you are not a murderer. How can you tell? Raju said. You would look different if you had been for 7 years, which is what one gets for murder only half proved. What else have I not done? Raju asked. You have not cheated in any big way, but perhaps only in a small petty manner. Go on. What's next? You have not abducted or raped anyone or set fire to a house. Why don't you say exactly why I was sent to jail for 2 years? I'll give you 4 annas for a guess. No time now for a game, said the barber and went on. What do you do next? I don't know. Must go somewhere, I suppose, said Raju thoughtfully. In case you like to go back to your old company, why don't you put your hand in someone's pocket at the market? Or walk through an open door and pick out some trash and let the people howl for the police? They'll see you back where you want to be. Not a bad place, Raju repeated slightly, nodding in the direction of the jail wall. Friendly people there, but I hate to be awakened every morning at 5. An hour at which a night prowler likes to return home to bed, I suppose, said the barber with heavy intonation. Well, that's all. You may get up, he said, putting away the razor. You look like a Maharaja now, serving Raju at a distance from his chair. The villager on the lower step looked up at his face with devotion, which irked Raju. Why do you look at me like that? He asked brusquely. The man replied, I don't know. I don't want to offend you, sir. Raju wanted to blurt out, I'm here because I have nowhere else to go. I want to be away from people who may recognize me. But he hesitated, wondering how he should say it. It looked as though he would be hurting the other's deepest sentiment if he so much as whispered the word jail. He tried at least to say, I'm not so great as you imagine. I'm just ordinary. Before he could fumble and reach the words, the other said, I have a problem, sir. So the next part of the story I'm going to read out in the next video. Till then, if you have not listened the first part of it, please do go and click to the link which is in the description box and listen to the first part so that you can relate to it. And please do share your experience, how you are liking listening to this story. And if you have got any suggestion, please to write it down in the comment box below. I'll try to come up with that in the upcoming videos. And thank you for listening to my story.